Hey, my name is Austin Coleman. I'm the lead pastor at Heart and Soul Church here in Knoxville, Tennessee. And a few months ago, we found ourselves in a position where we were going from portable to permanent. We had about 60 days to turn a call center into a church, and honestly, we did not know how to do that when it came to the production side. That's when we turned to Front Porch Media. They were able to help us from the design process of figuring out exactly how to make this room into a room where people can call on the name of the Lord. They helped us with design. They helped us with the rendering so we could see it before we see it. They helped us with actually installing everything and helping to show us how to run it, how to utilize it to its full potential. And one of the things that we've loved the absolute most when it comes to Front Porch and all the different guys we've worked with is that they didn't just show up and install it and then peace out and say good luck. They installed it and then they came back and then they came back and then they checked in and they asked how it was going and to help us to make it the best it could possibly be. And I know this, that if you're looking for somebody to help you in your production area, they are the guys to call. They are the guys to call, and we'll definitely be using Front Porch into the future, whether it be for new installs or for re-upping something that we want to change in the future. Front Porch is definitely, they're our people.